And moving on to some more breaking news, the United Nations Security Councils will be deciding on listing of Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Maulana Masood Azhar as a global terrorist. Now, India has urged all UNSC members to list him under the UN terror list, and the United Nations listed as a Pakistan-based terror group Jaish-e-Mohammed that has claimed responsibility for the recent Pulwama terror attack that killed over 40 of our CRPF jawans. Now, according to reports, the United States, the United Nations and France are already planning to move a fresh proposal at the UNSC to list Masood Azhar as a global designated terrorist. But exactly the move, will that be supported by China? Because that continues to remain the contentious issue. We've seen how in the past China has continued to block India's move forward, or even on an international platform at the UNSC, to designate Masood Azhar as a globally designated terrorist. So far, when Jaish-e-Mohammed, the terror group that he represents, that has already been banned. But talking about of Masood Azhar, will China also support India's move? Listen into some reactions.
Statement. We regret Pakistan's misuse of the Council for its ritual of breaking up malicious propaganda against India. India strongly rejects any attempt to revive the so-called motivated report of the OHCHR that reflected individual malice and prejudice. That need to be addressed are Pakistan's illegal occupation of a part of the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir and the continued suffering of the people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, who are victims of sectarian conflict, systemic army persecution, violence, terrorism, extreme economic hardships, discriminatory policies and denial of even basic rights. Pakistan is known to the international community for its acts of aggressions, harboring safe havens for terrorists, military courts trying civilians, harassment of minorities through blasphemy law, forced conversions and marriages of minorities, suppression of political dissidents and legitimate criticism in Sindh, Baluchistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, mass cases of enforced disappearances in northwestern Pakistan, state-sponsored extreme prejudices, religious intolerance and attacks on Muslim minorities such as Shias, Ahmadiyas, Ismailiyas and Hazaras. Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. Pakistan wrecked the UN resolutions by violating its own obligations to first vacate the territories under its control. Pakistan is reminded again that the principle of self-determination is applicable to colonial territories and cannot be misused an instrument to erode territorial integrity and sovereignty of any member states. Pakistan's continued support to cross-border terrorism is the main challenge to protecting the human rights of our citizens in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. The confirmation of using UN-proscribed terror organizations, Jaish-e-Mohammed, as an instrument of state policy by Pakistani military and political leadership is already in public domain. Pakistan's former National Security Advisor Durrani, former Army Chief and President of Pakistan General Pervez Musharraf had already admitted Pakistani complicity in creating disturbances in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. General Musharraf has admitted that the Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar carried out terror attacks in India on the instructions of the Inter-Services Intelligence of Pakistan. Its current foreign minister has reaffirmed the presence of Jaish-e-Mohammed chief in its soil.
All right, we heard that reaction coming in on part of India's representative there. Tejinder this morning is joining us on the phone line. Good morning to you, Tejinder. Well, as so far the fight against terror, we have seen how India has been leading the move and getting global support, international support. But what about China? Will China once again block the move, or will it come out and support India's move?
See, Amita, a very good morning to you as well. China maintains a suspense about the ban on Masood Azhar. We have seen in the past as well that China has not been very supportive when it comes to banning the Jaish-e-Mohammed head Maulana Masood Azhar. But now it seems when various countries across the globe, they have come forward. The countries like US, UK, France, they have already moved a proposal in the United Nations Security Council to ban Masood Azhar. But now it seems that which side China takes. China has to come clean whether it supports terrorism or not. But India has already been maintaining that Maulana Masood Azhar, who is based in Pakistan, has been fomenting trouble in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. He is responsible for targeting several of our. We know that on Feb 14th, it was Maulana Masood Azhar's Jaish-e-Mohammed that a suicide bomber carried out an attack in which we lost 40 of our.
Well, we have seen how China has been in the past blocking India's move, but we are talking about a time like today when even China did not lend much of the support to Pakistan when it comes to fight against terrorism. So big suspense continues on part of China, whether it will be blocking once again or will be coming out in support of India's move. Tejinder, thank you very much for the moment. Let's take a look at some other news as well.